Okay. The last thing that we have yesterday, we've talked about here, we've talked about the simple past with regular and irregular verbs. Okay, and we form yes or no questions and information questions. Yes or no question, it start with did. Do you remember? Because the answer should be yes or no. Oh, sorry. It starts with did because the answer would be yes or no. Just please pay attention. When I start with did could be kid or did I consider it as a verb which is in the past. It is the past of do. So I already have a verb in the past. So the verb or the main verb after the subject, did they, did she, did he, did whatever, the main verb should be what? Verb 1. Please pay attention to that. Yes, it's a past simple question, but خلاص, I already have did. So you don't have to add ed here in order to make the question in the simple past. The question already in the simple past. Okay? And when you answer yes they did or no they didn't. Now with information questions, اللي هي WH questions, you're going to say where did or what did, okay? And again, you will have the verb what? Verb in the past. Verb as verb 1 because I already have did. But the answer with WH questions or information questions, it would be different than yes or no questions because you will answer according to the information that you have. So where did you live? I lived. You cannot add it. خلاص. You should answer with your answer that has the information. So you're going to say I lived. Now, do you consider lived as regular or irregular verb? Regular, a normal verb. Irregular, abnormal verb. So what do you consider the verb lived? It's in the past, but is it regular or irregular? Yeah, do you all agree with Ala and Jude? They said that lived is regular verb. Yes, very good. Very good, Safa. Yes, lived is regular verb because it's ends in ed. So the normal verb in the past simple always ends in what? In ed. Not all the verbs should end in ed. No, only the regular one. Then, do I have irregular ones? Of course I have. I have, for example, the verb wore. What did you wear? Wear is a verb 1. I want to make it into the past and it was wore. Did it end in ed? No. Then it's irregular. Any verb that do not end in ed in the past simple, it's irregular. Okay? So let's see here some of the verbs that you should know. We have irregular verbs: drive, drove, eat, ate, now, knew, have and had, do and did. Also, we consider them as irregular verbs: win and won, swim and swam. Do you remember any verb that we should put in the past simple? Irregular verbs that did not have been mentioned here. Do you know?
Read, right?
Say it again, please.
Read.
Read, the verb read.
Yes.
Read, and the past symbol is what?
Also read.
Yes, it's also read. Very good. We can consider that as a regular verb. What else? The same category. What is the past symbol of write? Oh, yes, Rose. Yes. Yes, Rose. What is the past symbol? Very good. Wrote. Shahad said drink. What is the past symbol of drink? Very good. Yes, also drank. Here, and it's irregular verb. Okay. The one that you should pay attention to, only the one that you have in your books. Here, only those verbs you should pay attention to them. Now, we're going to write some examples here in the book, in your notebook, sorry. But I'm not going to ask by names. I'm not going to say, Yalla Shahad, give me a sentence. No, I want, for example, for Shahad to choose someone in the class to give her a sentence. And both of them, they will get the mark. Yani Shahad will get the mark, and the student that she chosen also will get the mark for participation. So let's start with Ala. Choose someone to write a sentence for you, and they have to use to write the sentence using one of those verbs, irregular verbs. Yani, for example, she would say she went to school, for example. Okay, so choose someone.
Zana, she's here.
Who?
Zana.
Zena.
Is she here?
Zena. No, she's not here.
Okay. Lujain.
Lujain. Lujain is here. Are you here, Lujain?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes. Now, Allah chose you to write a sentence using one of the irregular verbs here. Choose any verb and write a sentence using it.
I've known her since middle school.
Say it again, please.
I've known her since middle school.
I have known her, like this.
Or knew because of the
Yeah, we want it in the past. So I knew her
since middle school.
since middle school. Very good. Thank you. Oh no. Thank you, Ala, and thank you, Lujain. Now, Lujain have been chosen, but you cannot choose Lujain. خلاص. Okay, Jude, would you like to choose someone to write a sentence for you? You can, by the way, choose Ala, you can choose Jude, but Lujain, no. Shahad. يلا شهد. Give us a sentence. I met him. So you used met, which is the past symbol of meet. I met him in the park. Very good. I met him in the park. Okay, Amal, are you here, Amal? Amal.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, Amal, choose a student to write a sentence for you. Any student. But Lujain no and Shahad no.
Okay. Safana.
Safana, are you here, Safana? Yes, so please give us a sentence using one of those verbs.
I written my homework yesterday.
There is no verb, we don't have write here. Only the verbs that you have here and in the past symbol. Use the form in the past symbol. Yani whether you want to use came or felt or ate, gave.
I ate my food yesterday.
I ate my food yesterday. Very good. Okay, one more student. Rand, are you here, Rand? Rand? No? طيب, Lena? Lena, are you here? No? Ghalia? Okay, Lina, you answered. طيب, Lina, can you choose someone to write a sentence for you? Yes, Lina, come on quickly. Lina, choose any student to write a sentence for you. Lina, did you understand what I'm saying? Okay, Safa, you've been chosen.
I went to the supermarket yesterday.
I went to the supermarket yesterday. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
So, it's very easy, right? Now, when we study for the exam, the only verbs that are with you, the irregular past forms, are the one in your book only. Okay? Right, let's move on. Now, here we have words connected with space and planetary system, part 1. Now, here we have some of those vocabulary. Okay. One of those, we have those vocabulary, they are related to space and planetary system. Now, of course, we don't know the meaning of all of them because we're not very familiar with the words that are connected with space. Now, I need, I will choose, Yasmin. Are you here, Yasmina? Yasmin, are you here? طيب, Yasmin, can you use the pen? I need you to choose to use the pen and choose you cannot use the pen? Why? You're using your phone? أو لا يظهر لك يعني؟ Okay. طيب, جودي الآن دخلت. جودي? Are you here, Judy? Judy? Okay, Haneen? We're wasting so
أنا
much.
موجودة في الشات.
Judy ماذا؟
في الشات كتبت لك.
Oh, okay, I didn't see. طيب, Judy, can you use the pen? Can you annotate, use the pen? I need you to do something here with the screen. Just tell me, can you use the pen? Judy, can you use the pen or no? Okay. I thought that you know how to use the pen. طيب, Dana? Dana, can you use the pen?
ليس لدي قلم والله.
You don't see in the screen, you don't know in the I see. Okay. Oh, Safa? Safa and Haneen. طيب, Safa, can you use a color? Can you choose a color, any color you want, and use your pen?
Okay.
Okay. I need you to circle from those words only the words that you know its meaning or their meanings. Just the words that you know that their meaning. Technology, space station, robot car, gas, stars, The sun, the earth, the planets, the moon. Volcanoes. Thank you. You're done?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Safa. Okay, Haneen, use another color if you can.
Okay.
Okay, and don't underline under the same. Yani you can underline the same word if you know their its meaning, but I needed to do it like this, like a check. You see, just let me show you. For example, like this. Okay, so I would know that this is your color, this is the color, and this is your color. Okay. Again, underline or circle the words that you know its meaning.
Well done.
You're done. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to choose Rose. Are you here, Rose?
Yes.
Yes. Can you do the same? Can you use the pen and tell us the words that you know its meaning? Choose another color, Rose. Very good, mashallah.
I'm
Done?
finished.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So most of we have now chosen 3 students, Safa and Rose and Haneen. Now the 3 of them, they know the meaning of technology. Thalith, do you know the meaning of technology? Which means, most of us, we know the meaning of technology. So please just tell me the meaning. Yes, very good. طيب تكنولوجيا تقريبا تراها نفس الشيء. But do you know the exact meaning in Arabic? It starts also with yes, very good. Thank you. Yes, Haneen. And then we have space station. Okay, what is the meaning of space station? We know the meaning of space, and maybe also we know the meaning of station, but what about space station? Yes, very good, Safa and Ala. Spacecraft, which only I think Rose chosen or Rose know the meaning. What is the meaning of
مركبة
space?
فضائية.
Yes, very good. Thank you. And then we have a robot car, a car that works as what is the meaning of robot car? We have also the three of them. They know the meaning of robot car. Hmm? Yes, Talith. A robot car. Yes, very good. Yes, very good, Judy. Yes, and then we have astronauts. What is the meaning of this word? No one have or chosen this word. So what do you think the meaning of astronauts?
رواد فضاء.
Who's talking?
أنا.
Yes, Rose. Say it again, please.
رواد فضاء.
Yes, so astronauts are people who are or who can go what? To the space. And then we have gas. Of course, we know the meaning of gas, oxygen, gas, gravity. When you hold something and then you leave it, it's what? It go down. So that means there is a gravity. What is the meaning of gravity? Yes, very good, Shahad. Yes, Safa. Then we have the stars. Of course, we know the meaning of stars. Then we have the meteors. What is the meaning of the meteors? No one have chosen this word. What do you think the meaning of meteors? Yeah, when something just passed by in the sky, and in cartoons they say that you have to wish something and then it will happen. Yes, very good, Rose and Shahad. And then we have eclipse. What is the meaning of the word eclipse? When the sun goes behind the moon, or the moon goes behind the sun. No, the sun goes behind the moon. Yes, very good. Then we have the solar system. The solar system.
المجموعة الشمسية.
Yes, thank you, Amal. And the solar system includes the moon, the sun, the earth, and the other planets. So you can do this. Okay, then we have rocks. Rocks means? Yes, very good, Jude. Then we have volcanoes, which we have one in Medina. Yes, very good. Poisonous air. We don't have poisonous air, but maybe if you go up in the sky, yes, toxic air. I like the meaning in English. High mountains, which also we have in Medina. Yeah, but they are very high. And then we have atmosphere. Atmosphere, of course, we can use it in space. We can use it when we describe. Yes, very good, Safana. The atmosphere in the room is not very good. So, yes, very good. Orbit. We already explained the meaning of this word. This is almost, I think this is orbit also. Repeating path in space. Yes, very good. And then launch. They launched the rocket. So, in the space, they launched the rocket in the space. Or to the space. Yes, very good. And then land, take photos, and build. We already know their meanings. Thank you for participating. طيب. Now, if we have time, I hope we have time.
معلمة ما معناه
Which one?
التوكسيك هذا غاز اللي كتبته لجي؟
Where is it?
Toxic.
Toxic air, you mean?
Toxic, yes.
Toxic air is the same meaning, has the same meaning as poisonous air.
اللي هو بالعربي.
Yeah, can someone say it in Arabic? Yes, thank you, Lujay. Toxic air, poisonous air, air that is not good for you to smell. طيب. Now let's start. I think we have 2 minutes. Just let's do this question quickly. Here you're going to ask a student for those personal information. Answer the questions from your friend only if you think she asked you correctly. If she said, "What are your name?" then don't answer her. if she said what are your age, for example, then she didn't ask you correctly, then don't answer her. So I'm going to choose, for example, Siba. Siba?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Siba, I need you to choose one of those things and make an information question, which is a WH question, and ask anyone if, from your friends. Whether you want to ask her about her address, telephone number, occupation.
Okay. Email address.
Okay. Choose
What's
someone and ask her. Choose a person first.
teacher? I don't know who choose.
Choose any person.
Okay, Yasmin.
Okay, now ask her about her address.
What's your email address?
So you've chosen this one. Yasmin, are you here? If she asks you correctly, then answer her. If she didn't, then no. So she said,
What's
say
your
it again.
email address?
What's your email address? Hi, Yasmin. Can you answer or you cannot? Yasmin, did she ask you correctly? Then you have to answer. Oh, you were writing your email address. Oh, okay. At Gmail or at Hotmail? Okay, thank you, Siba. Thank you, Yasmin. I think we have to stop. At Gmail, okay. Thank you so much, Yasmin. Okay, tomorrow, inshallah, we're going to complete this, and also we have exercise C. Right, now let me take the attendance. If we said your name, then you can go.